Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This time, as you can tell by the title, we are going to be making simple sailor bows. I'm going to show you two different versions because the templates that I purchased came as a one-piece template and then a two-piece template. I have materials cut out for both, so there is the two-piece and here is the one piece. And all you're going to do is lay your templates down on the material you're going to be using, whether it's faux leather, glitter canvas, or both, and trace out your templates, cut them out, and then you will have the pieces here to work with. You're going to need materials, your pieces cut out of your materials of choice. You are going to need two clips, or clips for each bow. You're going to need scissors. Lighter is optional but helpful. And you are going to need your glue gun as well. We are going to start off with the one piece because it is vastly easier than the two piece. I do not know where I got this, but it is so thin. Thinner materials really do work better for this style bow. But it is a nice velvety type material. You're going to put a dollop of glue on one of the tabs. Glue the other tab to it. And then I glue the tabs down to the bow. I've seen where you don't glue it in until you already start doing your folds. I found that I don't like that method. I like doing it like this. So I put in a little dab of glue. And glue those tabs to the bow like that. And then we are going to start folding. Oh, you're also going to need thread for this. I am so sorry, I forgot that. You're going to need thread to cinch, to attach all of this, as opposed to gluing all of the edges. That does tend to get a little bulky. So you are just going to be doing a series of accordion folds. As you can see there, I do 4. It works out just fine for me for the bow. Put the string that way, the thread that way, so it's out of my way. And then I just wrap around the middle. Making sure to keep hold of all of your folds. If you let go, it will unfold and then you have to come back and refold it. I just wrap the thread around a couple of times, trying to keep all of the thread in the center and not deviate outside of that. Make sure to pull tight so that your center is nicely cinched. Unless you do like me and you have managed to go off center and then you need to unwind it and redo it. I leave my mistakes in so you guys can see that bow making isn't simple. You are going to make mistakes. It is a learning curve. I did up probably about a dozen of these, but I am still learning how to make these. So there will be a learning curve for you. You will make mistakes. You will mess up. But the point of this is that mistakes are okay. You can fix them. And if you can't fix it on the project, if it's something more than just simply the center is wrapped off center, you can make a new purchase. Make a new project. It's not the end of the world. I'm going to make sure everything is even and centered. I have no clue what that beeping sound is. If you can hear it, I am fairly certain there is a cat on top of the PS4 though. I will deal with that when I am done. You are just going to knot off the center a couple of times. And then cut off the excess thread. Fuss around with the bow. Make sure it is exactly how you want it. And when you are happy with it, you are going to want to take your clip, add some hot glue to it, attach the clip to the back of your bow, hold down so that you know it has fully adhered. And then you're going to take your center wrap strip, which is part of the template. And you are going to put a little line of glue, attach it to the inside of the clip. Make sure that it adheres. And then wrap the center. It's really simple, really easy. I guess that's why they're called simple sailor bows. And then you are going to put a dollop of glue on the inside. When you're sure it has set, clip off the excess. Run a little bit of your lighter across just to make sure the ends don't fray. Take another chance to fluff it up. And there you go. You have the simple sailor bow in one piece. But now I am going to show you how to do it in two pieces. I would generally make your center wrap the same color or print as the bottom of your bow. And you are going to want to match up the center here to the center here. I like to take this sometimes, or if it's easier, take your scissors. Give yourself a good line of sight there. And you're going to want to put glue on that little tab on top of the bottom, because you're going to want to attach the top to the bottom. Make sure to press down so that you know it is adhering. Peel back the other side and glue that down as well. Alrighty. Now we are going to treat this just like we did the other one. We are going to glue tab to tab. Like I said, the thinner materials generally tend to work better for this for me. I find that it's easier to do all of the accordion folds on the thinner material. You're going to glue the tabs to the center back. So you're going to line up there and there. And then you are going to do your accordion folds. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And you're going to take your thread again and wrap it around. I have learned from my mistake. Really going to wrap twice and then check it out, make sure it is exactly how I want it. Yep, now it's even. Thread is sticking together and I'm trying to separate it so that I can find the end and keep wrapping. I'm going to tie off in the back, just a couple knots. 3 should be sufficient, just to make sure that everything is being fully attached. Clip off the excess. And now it is time to attach the clip. So you are going to run glue along the top of your clip. Flip it around, glue it to the back. Make sure everything is attached. Take your center wrap. Attach it inside your clip, just like that. Push down. And then, like you did before, just pull the center wrap up and finish off the center, hiding any thread that you may have used. Well, we did use thread, but this helps hide any boo-boos that you don't want seen. Plus, it just finishes off the bow so much nicer. I didn't pinch down and it didn't adhere properly. So give me a second. There we go. Clip off any excess. Use a lighter. For the faux leather, the lighter kind of just melts the ends together so it's more seamless. You don't have a whole lot to worry about fraying on faux leather. Just kind of blends it, makes it look seamless. But there you go. There is the 2-piece simple sailor bow and the 1-piece there. I will link the templates down below for you guys. I got them on Etsy through a seller called Maisie Moo. I will, however, link those down below for you so you can check them out and purchase them. They're generally like $3 for the set of templates. They do come in SVG, so you can run these through your Cricut machine. I, however, have an Explorer Air 2. I cannot cut this type of material, so I print out my templates, cut them out, back them up on cardboard, and use them that way. But if you like this video, please click the like button down below. Click the share button to share it to somebody you think might be interested. If you have not subscribed already, please click the subscribe button somewhere around here. And the bell button next to it. If you click that, set your notifications to all. You will be notified every time I upload a new video. Please check the description box below for any pertinent links you might need, as well as our Instagram. If you have any questions or comments or video suggestions, please leave those down below as well. I always welcome video suggestions, comments, and I will be happy to answer any questions you might have. Thank you guys for watching. I will be back with another video next week. Next week's video is going to be a St. Patrick's Day themed faux leather bow. So again, I will link the templates for that bow down in the description box next week. Thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I will see you next time. Bye.